Once upon a time in a small, peaceful village, there lived a little boy named Ayan. He was bright, curious, and full of imagination, but he often felt
Bye,
lonely.
Ayan. Be good.
His parents
later,
were hard-working people, always busy with their jobs, and though they provided him with food, clothes, and everything a child could want, they never had much time to spend with him. Ayan had learned early that material things could fill his stomach, but not his heart. Every morning, Ayan would wake up and wait for his parents to talk to him, to ask about his dreams or how he felt. But every morning, they were too busy. He tried to hide his sadness, but it grew like a shadow inside him.
Be good, son.
At school, he saw children laughing with their parents, hugging them and sharing stories. He longed for that warmth. One rainy afternoon, after a particularly long day at school, Ayan didn't go straight home. His parents were busy and didn't notice him leave the school grounds. Instead, he walked slowly toward his uncle's small house on the edge of the village. His uncle and aunt were poor. They had a tiny home and very little money, but their hearts were full of love. They welcomed Ayan with open arms. His uncle listened patiently as Ayan told stories about school, and his aunt cooked him a warm meal and made him feel like he belonged. Days turned into weeks, and this became a routine. Ayan loved going to his uncle's house. They laughed together, played games, and shared dreams. Unlike at his own home, Ayan felt important and heard. He even studied there, alongside his cousins who treated him like a brother. He began to understand that love, not wealth, could make a child feel safe and happy. One evening, Ayan's parents finally discovered where he had been going. They followed him quietly to his uncle's house and were shocked to see him laughing and playing with his cousins. "Why are you going so far to be with them?" his father demanded, his voice stern. "We give you everything, a comfortable home, good food, money. Why do you need to go to your uncle's poor house?" Ayan's little heart pounded, and tears welled up in his eyes. He ran to his mother, holding her hand tightly, and said in a trembling voice, "Mom, Dad, I have everything here, yes, but I feel so lonely. You are always busy. I don't want money or gifts. I want your time, your love, your attention. My uncle and aunt, they love me. They listen to me. That's why I go there." His mother's eyes filled with tears, and his father's stern expression softened. For the first time, they truly understood the emptiness their son had been feeling. They realized that no amount of wealth could replace the warmth of their love and attention. That night, they sat down with Ayan and promised to be there for him, to listen, to play, and to share their lives with him. Slowly, things began to change. Ayan's parents started attending his school events, celebrating his small achievements, and spending evenings together, reading stories or simply talking about their day. Ayan felt the love he had been missing, and his heart, once lonely, began to bloom. He realized that love was not something that could be bought. It had to be given freely, every day. Years later, Ayan grew into a kind, confident, and compassionate young man. Whenever he faced challenges, he remembered the lessons from his childhood, that material things could never replace love, that being truly seen and cared for could give a child strength, and that parents' love was the most important gift of all. And his parents learned a truth they would never forget. No matter how busy life becomes, the heart of a child must always be nurtured. Gifts and comfort are not enough. Children need love, attention, and presence, because these are the things that shape their souls and guide them in life. From that day on, the little house, once silent and lonely, was filled with laughter, warmth, and love, proving that the richest home is the one where hearts are connected.